Hello, awesome artists. Okay, real quick, 100 color challenge. Whoop whoop. You are going to get a piece of paper that looks like this. This is an example. Obviously, Kaylin worked really hard on this. She started to fill in her colors really well. She put in her name and her class code. Your page is obviously going to be blank. You are also going to get an index card. This will probably be on day 2. You are going to get a piece of wax paper, which is your mixing tray. You're going to get a container, might look like this, might look a little different, of the 3 primary colors, blue, yellow, and red. And you're going to get a water cup and a paintbrush. So, for starters, we need to talk about color, baby, color. So, when you open up your tray, you're going to peel back the plastic or whatever. Open the top and don't lose your lid because we need to reuse these containers, so don't toss it. So to make a color, I'm going to start by just wetting my paintbrush a little bit. I'm going to start with my lighter color. So I'm going to scoop it like a shovel and just put a little bit of color on my mixing tray. And I'm not going to take my yellow brush and go into my new color. No way, Jose. I'm going to rinse it really good. You're not going to get a new tray of this. This is your only one, so please be nice to it. And when I say be nice, I mean clean your brush. Don't dirty up all your colors, because then you're not going to remember what colors you're making, because they're all mixed together. So when you take your darker color, only take a little bit, because you can always add more, but it's really hard to make a color lighter. It's very easy to make a color darker because those darker colors are stronger. So I've made this really pretty green. Ooh. So now that I've made that green, I can add it to a square on my paper. See, I don't need a lot of paint. I'm just adding a little bit. I'm going to put it in this square. It's pretty light, so I might want to do a couple coats. There we go. Okay, so I've filled in my square, all set. I'm going to now clean my brush really good, and I need to make a new color. So I already have green, so let's change this green to be a little bit different. Let's see. I'm going to add some more blue, make it darker, a bluer green, right? Ooh, this is kind of tealish. This is pretty. So make sure you mix it really good, or you're not going to know what color it is. So this is a new color, and all I did was add blue to it, but it's not pure blue, right? It's kind of greenish blue. Let's put it next to it and compare. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. All right, so you guys get the idea. I'm going to try and fill up as many colors as I can, and I've only used a little bit of paint, okay? So you don't have to, like, blob it on, right? You just want to get as many colors in there as you can, all right? So if you want to do a new color, rinse your brush really good, grab that other color, and you can mix it over there, right? Rinse, rinse, new color. All right, and I don't know, what would happen if I mixed orange and a little bit of this green? Ooh, it's kind of a gray-brown color. Interesting. Remember, complementary colors will make like brown neutral colors. Ooh, I kind of made brown. So I have orange and this kind of greenish color, and we know that red and green make brown. So there we go, because red and green are complementary. Ta-da! All right, so you're going to try to fill up this paper as best as you can. Next step is to make your recipe card. So Kaylin did a really good job. She put down all the different types of paint that she used, all the different colors that she made, I guess, and then she put her recipes. For this purple, she used this whole string of colors. So all of these different letters represent colors. For example, this orange, R, Y, probably red and yellow. So she came up with her own formula to show what colors that she made. All right, so make sure your name and your class code is on your index card. So now you have recipes on how to make all these fancy colors, okay? All right, so that is your goal today, to do all that great stuff. You're gonna try to get to 100 different colors. See how fast I was going? You could do a pretty great job. I'm super excited. Let's rock and roll.